Welcome back to Urban Ninos. This is your art friend Divya, and today we are going to make a drawing out of the letter O. So as you see, I've already made an O on paper. What we'll do next is we'll draw a curve like this on both the sides. So we'll make a total of 8 curves. The shapes can be a little different, not that all of them have to be uniform. Then we make another line beside it and join it like this. This we are going to do for all the curves that we have made. I'm sure you must have already guessed what we are making. You are correct. This is an octopus that we are making. We'll make 2 big eyes here. And it's a happy octopus, so a nice smile. So O is for octopus. O C T O P U S. Octopus. Hope you enjoyed. Do share your comments. Bye-bye.